Alright, what is up, y'all? Back with another video. I guess today we got a little bit of a surprise. So I guess today we got a little bit of a surprise. So I kind of bought another car. I'm not gonna really tell you guys what it is as of right now. I'm gonna go ahead and inspect it real quick, and you guys gonna find out pretty soon. Let me go grab it. I wonder what car it could be.
Here, pick up my boy's car, you know.
Let's see what it is. Not gonna tell you guys just yet.
Not yet. You guys be surprised. You know, we see spider webs in the car, but that's because I
It's
have
alright.
to move.
It's alright.
You know, but it's good. Spider web is good.
Oh, Eddie loves Civics. He's a Honda boy.
Boy, you know.
But that's not my car.
No, I know. That's not. That's it, but that's not it. Azul.
It's gray. I wish it was that, but it's not. That'd be nice to have. God damn it, it's fucking hot out here. This blacktop does not make not easy for me to be out here in the sun with this blacktop. That is an Alfa Romero.
I know, but what is that? Who makes those cars?
I don't know, to be honest.
Kind of look like a BMW, no?
No, it looks nothing like a BMW to me.
Alright.
That's just you. I'm just trying to find the car. Damn, where is this shit?
Two hours later.
It's okay, I was gonna put some jeans. I was like, man, fuck this shit.
Yeah, right.
I put this shit on.
95-degree weather.
Yeah, that's what
plus humidity. That's a no-no.
I'm not fat, but you know how when it's so hot and you get jeans, like your shit start rubbing like your leg. I hate that shit, boy. You know, fat boys go through that. You know what I mean?
Chafing.
Yeah. And you see my teeth are walking like this sometimes, like if you was riding a horse.
2,000 years later.
Oh boy.
I like Ken Dog with his first car. Close.
Here we go.
And the best battle to get to 33. Take it or leave it.
We finally found it, boys. Woo! Oh! I can't show you guys yet. Woo! It is fucking hot. Alright guys, so here's a little update on the 240. As you can see, I got it primered. Sanded down everything, got it cleaned it up, sanded it, cleaned it again, primed it, and now I'm just scuffing it down with a red scuff pad. Shout out to my man's Jose for coming through and helping me out with the whole priming process. And we're that much closer to paint the engine bay. Guess what come in the mail? Ooh. Okay then, the Supra. Shout out to Tune in Tokyo, trying to win a Supra. Pretty dope shirt. I fucks with it. Not bad.
Comes with stickers.
Oh, stickers. Asher got one too.
Woo! Burn out. What that means.
You don't do burnout, so.
I gotta learn how to do burnout. I'm so happy I got a tag.
Word. Shout out to Tune in Tokyo. Alright, you guys ready to see the new car? Let's go ahead and finally check it out. I don't think you guys ready for it. Let's check it out. The new whip. Shout out to my man's Pablo. You know? Let's check out the new whip. And here we have the Nissan 350Z. You know, I had it, you know, one up Astrid. It's a HR. You know, it's a HR. It's a 08 350Z. That 6-speed manual life, you know. Go ahead and take a look at her. Yeah. Go ahead and I'm about to give her a quick wash because she's dirty as hell. And I'll get back to you as soon as I finish washing her and Astrid's car and Pablo's car and the Teggy and the FRS. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the Z before I go ahead and give it a wash. So it is completely stock for the most part. Stock seats. It is a base model. What else? Let's take a look under the hood. I mean, I guess only real mod. Well, it's not even a real mod. Just tinted taillights. Got the, I think those are 03 wheels. Not a big fan of those. Deciding whether or not I should change that out. Oh shit. Rip. Sorry, I was getting ready to wash the Z as Astrid's washing hers. Put these down. Alright, so nothing special here. Just a stock HR. However, it does pull. Thank you, Pablo, for holding that for me. This thing, I can say at least, does pull. It pulls a lot better than the DE. A lot smoother, I feel like. I don't know, that may just be me. But I'm really liking the HR the way it feels. I didn't think I'd notice too much of a difference, but it is quite a difference. At least I notice it. But yeah, guys. Your boy bought himself a Z. The only time you ever see Lola and Ivy outside. HR took the spot just for the moment. Yeah. Just for the moment. I can't just stop staring at this thing. It drives so smooth. I wish some of y'all, if y'all haven't drove like a HR or a Z in general, it drives so smooth. I know it's completely stock, but I'm a little fanboy over it. I do love Astrid Z. I love her. I love her Z.
It's like,
alright, guys. Finally got this whole thing detailed. Don't mind the flakes that you see there. Got everything detailed. I just made that dirty again. But sparkles that you see there is some scent that I use. You can't really see it in person, just when the flash is on. So don't mind that. Did the carpets, did the back, nice and clean, ready to go. Again, the sparkles looks like it's dirty, but it's just the scent that I use. You can't see it in person, only when the flash is on. So yeah, that's just a scent, guys. But she's looking good, guys. She's looking real good. I think I'm gonna keep her in here for the night. Put it back this way. Bring Astrid Z that way because she's gonna kill me if I leave it like that. There goes Pablo. I have no idea what he's doing.
Kermit, what are you doing?
I'm dancing, bro!
Oh my god. But yeah, guys. Kind of, actually, believe it or not, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the 350. I don't know if I should keep it, if I should sell it. Should I put Astrid's old lowering springs on there? Put some wheels? I don't know. I don't know, guys. I do want to keep it, but I do want to flip it. I don't know. What do you think, Pablo?
Whatever you want to, bro.
Alright, that wasn't hope. Hey, comment down below what you think I should do with the Z shot. Keep it, shot, flip it. I don't know. I don't know yet. Comment down below. But anyway, guys, I'll catch you next time. I appreciate you guys coming and checking out the video. And as always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button. And as always, catch you next time. Peace.